So, the penultimate day of Crimbo Limbo. What have we got? There we go. So close, keep going is the piece of advice. It is Saturday. Woohoo! Who knew? So today we have got Pickering's 1947 gin, and that can only mean one thing. So, cut a little slice of lemon, and we're going to put it around the edge of our glass. And we're going to put some salt. Now this is Basil salt we've got here. I don't know what difference that is, but there we are. Here we go. So, Pickering's 1947 gin. We need to put it all in. Sorry, you can share it out. 85 ml of tomato juice. Yummy. Four dashes of Worcester sauce. 2 dashes of Tabasco. We want 15 ml of lemon juice. 5 ml of olive brine. A dash of pepper. We're not shaking. We're rollating. I've never done that before in my life. It doesn't feel right at all. Okay. So we're going to do a dirty pour. In other words, we're not straining it. Pop our garnish in. Like that. Got some pickles. Well, gherkins and a pickle for lunch. On there. Lemon wheel. Look at that. Perfect. A red snapper. Cheers.